My name's Jack, I'm an engineering graduate, started at 22, so it'll be 3 years, been working at Northern.
I'm Dom, I joined Northern as an engineering graduate in 2016.
I studied a Masters in Aerospace Engineering at the University of Manchester and then got the job at Northern.
I studied mechanical engineering at the University of Sheffield. When I was coming up to the end of my engineering degree, I wasn't 100% sure what area of engineering I wanted to go into, and looking into the railway, I saw the different levels of engineering you could get into.
I kind of left my options open regarding what I wanted to do after uni. I knew I wanted to be in engineering and definitely involved in maintenance. And when I seen the job come up, it sounded interesting and what I was looking for.
I knew I wanted to get onto a graduate scheme. At Northern, we had that ability to experience the different parts of engineering, from the really hands-on modifications to trains to the more strategic work around the performance of the trains.
On the graduate scheme, you get to work all around the industry, so I spent time at a manufacturing firm, design firm, and obviously a lot of time on depot, on the shop floor, on the tools, helping fix the trains.
Before I joined the railway, I didn't really think about it more than a way to get to school or a way to town. Since I've joined, you really realise the huge amount of work to get the trains working, but also staffing the trains, planning the trains, and making sure they are actually there, available to get people from A to B.
You think engineering with rolling stock is, you're under a train, you're covered in oil, but engineering is a lot more than that.
Towards the end of my graduate scheme, I got the opportunity to work on a hydrogen train feasibility study to see whether we'd be able to operate trains on the British main line using hydrogen power.
A key thing that attracted me to the graduate scheme was the route to chartership. Having that chartered status would bring a lot more opportunities, especially within the business, for my sort of growth potential.
One of the best things about working at Northern is the massive geography that we span. You get to experience travelling all across the north of England, meeting different people from all over.
Don't worry if you don't know what you want to do, because I was in the exact same position and it's worked out quite well. Just be open to different opportunities and get involved, be curious, ask questions.
It is a massively broad industry. You can really experience an awful lot to find out what you think you'll be best at and what you want to do for the rest of your career.